going to start off by adding a little bit of olive oil. Shrimp. Seafood seasoning. We're just going to stir fry our shrimp for about a minute or two until they're cooked. Time to add our tomatoes. Cilantro. We're just going to add a little bit more olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Time to add our eggs. Now once our eggs start to cook around the edges, then we'll start to mix it together. Alright, time to start mixing. And we're also going to reduce our heat to a low heat. I started off at high just to get the pan a little bit hot. We're just going to top it off with a little bit of grated cheese. Not too much, just a little bit. And I'm using pepper jack cheese right now. Alright y'all, so this is an easy recipe to make at home. You know, nice little quick breakfast. So we're just going to top our scrambled eggs off with a little bit of cilantro. And we're good to go. Alright guys, so please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for all the latest recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.